Hey guys, now we go outside and we will show you the new model from Redmi K60 Ultra, new edition of the K60 series. And today we got the shadow green color, and this is the best color I love. This time they have black and green, and we choose the green color. And this is front. This time for screen they use the 6.67 inch 1.5K display resolution screen, and it's supported for 6 ppi, and it's a Pro OLED screen, and they support 144 Hz refresh rate and 480 Hz touch rate. Yes, so you can customize the 60 and 144 refresh rate through the display settings, and it also support the P3 color range. And we can go to the settings. I think, yeah, it is battery, and they provide a 5000 battery with 120 watt fast charging. And this time they use the Xiaomi undeveloped battery chips. Yeah, we can get more battery information here, and they provide the battery safe mode to get long standby time. And here is the more specification about this device. MIUI based on Android 13. RAM raw information 16GB RAM plus 1TB ROM. Very cost effective big storage smartphone to provide this time, and this is one of the best cost effective smartphone to market. Here more information we got. And for the chips, this time use a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus, and also works with Pixel to provide an independent GPU X7. This is also very nice. And RAM and ROM is support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. Yes, now we can check the smartphone for different angles. It's a green color, and I really like it. And also the camera this time. Use a triple camera rear camera system, 50 megapixel main camera, IMX 800, 1-1.49 and 2.0 big pixel, and they support OIS and 7p lens. The eye angle 8 megapixel IMX 355 and macro lens 2 megapixel GC0 2 M1. Front 20 megapixel IMX 596. Yes, we can take some samples, and I'll put it at the end of the video so you can check the sample pictures about this device. Pretty nice. Zoom performance, wide angle performance. We'll test it from different aspects: wide angle, zoom, macro lens. Yes, I really like the macro camera function. It's so useful and very nice. And for the certification I just showed you, it supports Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision and HDR and the HDR 10 Plus. And also the smaller features like the IP68. I think this is very unique. Smartphones provide IP68 and NFC and infrared emitters. It's pretty cool, yeah. And this time the camera zoom is a bit different compared to last generation. to cut the edge to be more not so sharp.
Redmi K60
and also this time the weight of the smartphone is not so heavy, just 204 grams, and the dimensions of our device is 162
wide angle,
length 75 width, and thickness 8.49. Yeah, we will get more pictures. 10 times zoom.
10 times zoom.
Front 20 megapixel, IMX596.
Video test.
Pretty nice, and when I hand on my hand, it's not so. It's very nice to control it by one hand, as you can see. And it's open OIS, so I will shoot a video to test the OIS and the camera. You can see the color is real. It looks real. Not so many AI added to the function because I don't choose it. But you can choose the AI mode to test it. Get AI
K60
powered videos.
Ultra Edition camera test.
Yes, and this time I think for the price is very cost effective. The edition I got 16GB RAM plus 1TB RAM, and the price just around $500, less than what 450 to 500 US dollar, United States dollars. It's very cost effective and affordable for such a high specification. Yeah, though the chip's not Snapdragon, but I think the Snapdragon 1200 plus is nice, and also the night vision camera test. I also did it. I think it's okay for night vision. I've also put it at the end of the video, so you can check it. Yeah, very nice. A big difference when you turn on the night vision. Here is the video about the device. Okay. And then I put the pictures.